Have you ever thought about building something that could actually fly? Meet the flying craftsman, an artist and an engineer who creates stunning mechanical birds that soar just like the real thing. Each bird is a flapping wing aircraft. They are designed to mimic the elegance of natural flight, down to every wing beat. He connects those wings to a motor that flaps them like nature intended. He captures the beauty of movement, turning cold metal into something that feels alive. So, what would you build if you could create something that flies?